Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. Got another Nature Valley product here that's new. I have not seen before. My wife picked these up the other day. This is soft baked filled squares, cocoa peanut butter. Sounds pretty good. The ingredients is like whole grain wheat flour, sugar, peanut butter, whole grain oats, canola oil, chicory root extract, palm and palm kernel oil, cocoa, natural flavor, egg white. So, sounds good. This would be a good snack for mid-morning, a mid-morning filler for for your stomach for lunch. All the other ones have been hard and crunchy, and they crumble, and they're kind of dry, and they taste really good, but they're dry, so you really want to have something to drink with them. This smells like almost like a peanut butter cookie, like a chocolate peanut butter cookie. I'm getting the cocoa, and the chocolate. Getting the peanut butter. I'm getting the oats a little bit. All right, you can kind of see the filling in there a little bit. These are soft, they're moist. Getting the oats, getting the peanut butter, getting the cocoa. Even though they are soft and moist, they're still dry. The oats in there, they get stuck in your teeth, Great taste, great taste, but yeah, still want something to drink with it. Got my coffee. These with the peanut butter and with the oats, the wheat flour or whatever. This should be very filling, and there's only one of them, so this will definitely tide you over. Okay. It's a good mid-morning snack to, fill you up. Very good. Well, that's really all I got to say about it. Not a whole lot. They're just the basic flavors in this. Cocoa, peanut butter, oats, wheat flour. It's moist. It's good. It's filling. Yeah, real good. All right, let me know if you tried one of these and if you liked it. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.